Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to have dinner. Well, obviously we're going to have dinner, and it's around 7 o'clock. We got a place booked in Urban Spatula, and this place is a continental restaurant that serves very good burgers, pizzas. It is located in a place called Ananagar, which is a residential locality, and there's a lot of reviews about this restaurant. So let's go over there and try this food out. Come on, Urban Spatula. This is in Ananagar. So let's get into the restaurant and taste the food. How is it? So come on. The menu card was huge and there's a lot of dishes to try out. This is a fine dining restaurant. I guess it's a little costly. Let's place the order. As a starter, we thought we'll have some salads and some soup. And let's go with the main order soup. So we have ordered the soup cream of broccoli. And this comes with broccoli soup as well as with breadcrumbs. So let's taste and see how's it. Really a cream which is mixed with this broccoli, shredded broccoli, very good taste. And this can be added with breadcrumbs, which gives an additional taste too. We have ordered the warm chicken salad. So now this comes with onions, tomatoes, lettuce and salad. Let's taste it. Combined with mayo, comes with mayo. The vegetables, the lettuce is fresh, as well as it comes with tasty olives, as well as tomato. Of course, also with the taste of chicken. Very tasty. Now we have ordered beef strips, and this is a beef strip. This is a beef strip with a little mayo and some French fries. Let's taste and see how's it. Taste of beef strips. With the crunchy beef, I think they mixed it with batter and fried it, along with onions and with capsicum and tomato. The sausage used is very flavorful, with lovely taste. It came out superbly and tasty. Also, let's taste the French fries with the dip they have given it. This French fries mixed with dip is very tasty and it's yummy too. Amazing. Okay, next we have ordered shepherd's pie. This cheese is a cheese-filled topping. A pie with cheese-filled topping with garlic bread, some lettuce. So let's taste it and see how's it. This pie has peas, masalas and topped with cheese. Let's taste it. The lovely flavor, the masalas are coming out along with the cheese. It's superb. Do try this. This is a signature dish. Spaghetti, which is sprinkled with Parmesan cheese and mixed with red sauce and with olives and garlic bread. So let's taste and see how's it. Let's taste spaghetti and see how's it. Taste the flavor of sauces, really overwhelming, but a little sour too. Very tasty. Maybe the taste is because of the Parmesan cheese that gives a distinct flavor. That's why, and also with the sauces. So this combination is very flavorful and it's a very good cheese. It's a signature dish too. What is it? This is a bill and came to 2247. Your name? Mr. Rafiq. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. It was a very good ambience. Nice, good service. See you again, sir. Yeah, thank you. My experience at Urban Spatula was superb. Like the ambience was good. The pricing was a little steep. Well, as the staff was really helpful and amiable. So we had a good time. Hello there. We have finally come home after a huge dinner. It was superb and very tasty dinner too. Now we have to get back to the airport. We are leaving today to Bangalore and it's already late. We just got caught up with our dinner, enjoyed our dinner and just came home. So ready and we are going to go to the airport. In case you might be wondering, do we need an RT-PCR test when we come into Bangalore from Chennai? In this video we'll show you how was it. Finally we reached the airport and we have to start the boarding process. So the flight is at 8:15 and let's cross the security. So here we go to the security check post where we're going to go to the Indigo office and we will show them the boarding passes Also, we'll ask for wheelchair assistance. We have crossed the security checkpost at the airport gate. We have informed Indigo about the wheelchair assistance and they have provided us. Well, it's wonderful to be back in Chennai airport, and it's a really truly historical journey, because there's a lot of temples and sculptures over here, which is kind of interesting. We are in the third most busiest airport in India. I like the statues that they have made in the Chennai airport. Really depicts the true culture of the state. At least they're mentioning the level of contamination. It's a lovely huge airport, since it's the third most important and busiest airport. The cost of a soda is 100 rupees to 110 rupees. The cost of water is around 50 bucks. It's pretty steep. As far as the amenities is concerned, there's not much of charging points in the airport, but there's only 1 or 2 points in this whole corridor that you can charge. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe there's something, there are many other mobile charging points, but we just stepped out to buy some coffee, and let's see the cost of the coffee along with the biscuits. How much does it cost over here? So the cost for 3 coffees and 1 can of Sprite came to $6.70. We're just checking the sunglasses in Sunglass Hut. There's a wide variety of it. Well, this costs around 25,000. This is a Ray-Ban, pretty slim lens. Pretty check, but I look kind of odd. Let me check out some of the aviator glasses. I'm just trying out this frame. How is it? I think aviator frames go with any type of faces, whether it's round, square, whatever. Apparently that costs around 11,590, and it's a photochromatic lens. It can be used day or night. So these are the frames that we have in store in Sunglasses Hut. It's one of the leading American brands, I could say. It's really nice to meet Mr. Arvind over here, who's in charge of Sunglasses Hut in the airport. Excellent. What is the price range of your glasses
starting they have 8,000. So
from 8,000 to
8,000 is the basic. Up to we have like 40 and 70.
70. Excellent. How do you find the sales in the airport compared to other?
No, actually there are more like buying customers only, they come traveling with them.
Okay, so they come here, they pick it up, and then they go.
Some customers they have no brand actually.
Oh, okay.
Other customers they are asking like why is the like more high prices.
Okay.
So we'll be explaining the brand knows.
Something you'd like to explain to our viewers, why is it a bit of costly compared to the normal Sunglasses Hut?
They have like a original genuine product, like this is a 100% UV protection also.
Okay.
Some otherwise like buying online, there were some fake models like that. So you can't claim the warranty also.
Oh, okay.
Provide for 2 years international warranty.
It's really nice coming to your shop, and nice meeting you, Arvind. You're very helpful. There's a lovely Nataraja statue over here. I'm not sure is it Nataraja, but it looks a very good bronze statue. And this is like these statues, there are many other statues in this airport. Each airport has its own distinct uniqueness. One, either they have some statues, sometimes they have paintings. I kind of like this airport. It's kind of different from what we have in Bangalore and other parts of the state. Now boarding is begun for the Bangalore flight, and it's waiting for the announcement, and then we will proceed to the gate. So I still now nobody's asked for the RT-PCR test, and I've also not taken any RT-PCR test, but I have taken my vaccination. So let's see what is the process once we go into Bangalore. Also, while coming to the airport, it's better that you take the metro if you're coming, because the metro is directly connected into the airport. So if you're coming from any part of the city, please take the metro. Hardly 20 to 30 rupees only the cost of a metro ticket. Whereas you have to, for a cab or something like, it takes around 500 to 600 rupees. Now the call to board a flight has come in. We are just heading towards the tarmac. I guess they keep all the wheelchair passengers to one side before everybody boards into the plane. And all the passengers are boarded. Also, Saturdays and Sundays are pretty busy in the airlines. There are a lot of passengers. The plane is completely filled. So in case you want to travel from Bangalore to Chennai over the weekends, please book your tickets in advance.
अपना मास्क सही तरीके से पहनें। इस विमान में
Our seatbelt signs are turned on and we are landing into Bangalore. So let's see the city from high above. The captain has given the message that we're going to land. Lights are turned off and we are getting into a landing mode. We have touched down in Bangalore International Airport and we are reaching Terminal 1. Passengers have got on the plane and it's our turn to get on the plane. I think there's a shortage of wheelchairs and we've been waiting for the last half an hour. A couple of wheelchairs started trickling in and now I hope we get a chance for my parents to go down to the tarmac very soon. But it's a long wait. Finally, we have got our wheelchairs. We are going back to the terminal and we have to collect our bag and baggages. So it's been a long wait. We got out of the airport. There's not much of hassles of COVID test and PCR test. Well, finally we have reached home. It was a long day and a long drive. Apparently, Bangalore has started its curfew once again, and if you're coming post 10 o'clock, be sure that the highways from the airport to the city is getting blocked. So please be careful, plan your trip accordingly. Also, it took us another couple of hours because by the time we got the wheelchair, came to the parking lot, it almost took us 1.5 hours extra. But anyways, it was a very memorable trip and a very pleasant trip. Also, Indigo was very supportive for us. It's a very good experience with Indigo. So I would recommend you to continue flying with Indigo. It's a very good airline. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do like our videos, share our videos. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. See you next week. Bye.